What's up, everybody? Beautiful Washington day today. Me and my man Jet.
I am on a mission. I am on a mission.
We're gonna head on down to the Cold Creek Trail. It's on my all trails list of ones to try. It's a beautiful day today. We're just gonna get out and start doing it. Come on, let's go. So I ain't gonna lie, this is probably the easiest hike that I've ever been on in my entire life. But it's a fantastic way to start off the spring. So we're having a good time out here. I'm not even broken a sweat yet though. Can you see it? I'm sweating now, boy. Woo! What a beautiful day to be out here. First really nice day of the year. You can hear the birds are chirping. Hear the water in the distance. We're like surrounded by major cities here. This is a nice little gem in the heart of all that. I kind of like it. It's kind of nice out here.